Hello everyone, welcome back in Python tutorials for beginner series. In this video, I will start writing our first Python program. I will show you how to write and execute Python program using three different tools. Whichever is comfortable for you, you can start writing your Python program. Okay, so first I will show you how to write Python program using Python command line tool. So for that, just go to Start and type Python. Here we can see Python with version number. Just click on that. Then this window is open. So this is a Python command line tool which we can use to execute our Python scripting language or Python programs. Right? So here let's say we execute something. For example, I want to print something. So for that I write print and in the brackets I will write string which we want to print. So here just use double quotes and I am writing hello Python, and when I press enter I will get output hello Python. So if we see in this line these brackets, in earlier version before Python 3 we don't need to give these brackets to execute message, but after version 3 we need to use these brackets in order to print any message using print function. So print is a built-in function to print any string whatever we write inside these brackets. Okay, and if we notice here we don't need any declaration or add any semicolon at the end of the statement in Python, but in other languages we need to declare variables and we need to add semicolon in the end of the statement, right? And another point to notice here, we don't need to compile our program. We need to just press enter and it will run program and will get the output. Okay, so this is about Python command line tool. I hope you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.